What would you do if the person you trusted most was hiding a secret life behind closed doors? A life filled with lies, forbidden love, betrayal, and dangerous obsession. Tonight's story will take you deep into a world where every smile hides deception and every kiss comes with a price. Stay until the end because the final twist will change everything you thought you knew. And before we begin, subscribe now and turn on notifications so you never miss more unforgettable stories packed with suspense, romance, and shocking drama. Sophia Bennett had spent 10 years building what everyone called the perfect life. From the outside, everything looked flawless. She lived in a luxurious townhouse in downtown Chicago with her wealthy husband Daniel Bennett, a powerful attorney known for winning impossible cases. Their polished image filled social media feeds and charity magazines. They attended glamorous events together, smiling for cameras while strangers admired their elegance and success. But behind the expensive walls of their beautiful home, silence had slowly replaced love. Conversations became short and cold. Dinners turned into quiet routines. Daniel buried himself in work while Sophia wandered through empty rooms feeling invisible. Every night she stayed in the same bed. The loneliness inside her grew heavier every month until she no longer recognized herself. She missed laughter. She missed passion. Most of all, she missed feeling alive. Everything changed on a rainy Thursday evening when Sophia attended a charity gala alone because Daniel claimed he was too busy preparing for court. The ballroom glowed with crystal chandeliers while soft jazz drifted through the air. Wealthy businessmen and elegant women moved through the crowd holding champagne glasses and fake smiles. Sophia stood near the balcony pretending to enjoy herself when a stranger approached her. His name was Adrian Cole. Tall, confident, and dangerously charming, Adrian carried the kind of presence that made people stop and notice. He was a successful architect recently returned from London after years abroad. The moment their eyes met, Sophia felt something she had not felt in years. Excitement. Adrian spoke to her as if she truly mattered. He listened carefully when she talked. He made her laugh effortlessly. Hours passed without Sophia realizing it. For the first time in years, she forgot about her unhappy marriage. When Sophia returned home that night, Daniel barely looked up from his laptop. He asked how the gala went without genuine interest. Sophia watched him typing endlessly while her heart drifted somewhere else entirely. She told herself Adrian was just a harmless distraction, a brief moment of attention in an otherwise empty life. But deep inside, she already knew the truth. Something dangerous had begun. Over the next few weeks, Adrian found reasons to contact her. First, it was an innocent message thanking her for the conversation. Then coffee invitations followed. Sophia resisted at first, convincing herself she was still loyal to her marriage. But loneliness weakens even the strongest promises. Eventually she agreed to meet him for lunch. Their conversations became longer and more personal. Adrian shared stories about his lonely childhood and failed relationships while Sophia confessed how trapped she felt inside her marriage. Adrian understood her in ways Daniel no longer did. He looked at her with admiration instead of routine familiarity. Sophia started smiling again. She cared about her appearance again. She felt young again. One evening Adrian invited Sophia to his penthouse overlooking the city skyline. Rain tapped softly against the giant windows while candles flickered across the room. The atmosphere felt intimate and dangerous. Sophia knew she should leave. She knew crossing this line could destroy everything. But Adrian stepped closer, gently brushing a strand of hair from her face, and the emotional walls she spent years building finally collapsed. Their kiss was filled with all the passion and loneliness they had buried inside themselves. In that moment, Sophia forgot about consequences. She forgot about vows. She forgot about the life waiting for her beyond those doors. Their secret affair intensified quickly. Hidden hotel rooms, late-night messages, excuses carefully crafted to avoid suspicion. Sophia felt consumed by a thrilling double life. During the day she played the role of devoted wife beside Daniel. At night she escaped into Adrian's arms where excitement replaced emptiness. The secrecy itself became addictive. Every stolen moment felt more powerful because it was forbidden. But secrets never stay hidden forever. Daniel slowly began noticing changes in Sophia. Her sudden happiness, the mysterious smiles at her phone, the distance growing between them. One night he came home unexpectedly early and found Sophia rushing to hide a message notification. Though she brushed it off casually, suspicion entered his mind. Daniel was a man trained to uncover lies for a living. Once doubt appeared, he could not ignore it. Unknown to Sophia, Daniel hired a private investigator. Meanwhile, Adrian's behavior also started changing. Beneath his charm existed a darker side Sophia had not fully seen before. He became possessive, demanding. If Sophia missed his calls, he grew angry. He pressured her to leave Daniel immediately. Sophia insisted she needed time, but Adrian's patience faded quickly. What once felt romantic slowly became suffocating. One evening Sophia discovered something shocking while visiting Adrian's apartment unexpectedly. A woman's scarf lay across the couch beside a pair of unfamiliar heels. Adrian claimed the items belonged to his cousin, but Sophia sensed he was lying. Later that night she secretly checked his phone while he slept and found messages from multiple women. Her heart shattered. Adrian was not the devoted lover she imagined. He had been manipulating several women at once, telling each of them they were special. Sophia confronted him furiously. Adrian admitted he enjoyed attention but insisted Sophia was different. He begged her not to leave him. Despite her anger, the emotional connection between them remained powerful. She wanted to believe him. She needed to believe their affair meant something real. Against her better judgment, she stayed. Days later Daniel finally received the investigator's report. The evidence was undeniable. Photographs of Sophia entering hotels with Adrian. Secret meetings. Late-night encounters. Daniel stared at the images with cold disbelief. Rage boiled beneath his calm expression. Yet instead of confronting Sophia immediately, he chose silence. He wanted to understand how deep the betrayal truly went. Daniel began secretly tracking Sophia's movements himself. One night he followed her car through downtown streets until she parked outside Adrian's building. Daniel watched from across the road as Sophia disappeared inside. At that moment something inside him broke completely. But Daniel carried secrets too. For years Daniel had hidden financial crimes connected to wealthy clients involved in corruption and money laundering. His polished reputation masked dangerous connections. Recently federal investigators had started closing in on one of his biggest clients, placing Daniel under enormous pressure. The affair became more than personal betrayal. Sophia now threatened the carefully controlled life he fought desperately to protect. Meanwhile Sophia's emotional world spiraled further out of control. Adrian pushed her harder to leave Daniel while Daniel's silent coldness at home became unbearable. Trapped between guilt, passion, and fear, Sophia felt herself collapsing mentally. She stopped sleeping properly. Anxiety consumed her every day. Yet she could not end the affair. One stormy night everything exploded. Sophia arrived at Adrian's penthouse intending to finally end their relationship. She realized the affair was destroying her life and turning her into someone she no longer recognized. Adrian reacted with fury. He accused her of using him. Their argument intensified until Adrian grabbed her arm aggressively. Sophia pulled away in shock. For the first time she truly feared him. Suddenly the penthouse door opened. Daniel stepped inside. Sophia froze in horror. Adrian released her instantly. Silence filled the room like a ticking bomb. Daniel stared at them with icy calmness that felt far more terrifying than screaming rage. He revealed he had known about the affair for weeks. Then he shocked Sophia further by revealing Adrian's true identity. Adrian was not simply an architect. He had been hired years earlier by one of Daniel's corrupt business rivals to get close to wealthy social circles and collect sensitive information. Meeting Sophia at the gala had not been accidental. Adrian targeted her intentionally, hoping emotional manipulation would expose Daniel's secrets. But somewhere along the way Adrian developed genuine feelings for Sophia, complicating everything. Sophia felt physically sick. The entire affair suddenly looked different. Had any of it been real? Were Adrian's words genuine or carefully calculated lies? Adrian insisted his feelings became real. Daniel laughed bitterly and revealed another devastating truth. He himself had been unfaithful throughout their marriage for years. Multiple affairs, secret relationships hidden behind business trips and late nights at the office. Sophia's world shattered completely. The perfect marriage she tried so hard to protect had already been broken long before Adrian appeared. Years of buried resentment exploded inside that penthouse. Accusations flew violently between all three of them. Adrian blamed Daniel for neglecting Sophia emotionally. Daniel blamed Adrian for manipulation and betrayal. Sophia screamed through tears, demanding to know whether anyone had ever truly loved her honestly. Then everything turned deadly. Daniel received a phone call during the argument. Federal agents were preparing to arrest one of his major clients that same night. Panic flashed across his face. Adrian realized Daniel's entire empire was collapsing. In the chaos, Adrian threatened to expose Daniel publicly unless Sophia left with him immediately. Daniel snapped.